Hi everyone, my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a What's in My Shower Lush Christmas edition. I've been wanting to film a Lush What's in My Shower for a while, and I thought the holiday season would be a very fun time to do so. So I have a ton of seasonal fun goodies in my shower at the moment, and I thought I would go through each little product with you all, tell you why I like it, what I love about it, and if I would repurchase it again or not. So without further ado, let's just get on into it. Alrighty everyone, so this here is my little shower station inside of my shower. I'm currently back at home filming this because I came home for the holidays, and I thought I would show y'all what I have in my shower at home, which I actually ended up bringing a lot of my products back from school just because I love them so much and couldn't live without them. So up here is where I keep all of my scrubs, face masks and body scrubs, body conditioners, and just other things of the sort. So down here is where I keep my shower gels and things like that. We'll start off with this big guy here. This is the Yognog shower gel. This is a first time pick for me, so this is the first time I picked up this item was this year, and I love this. It smells a bit different, I would say, than the Yognog last year, but not too much different. I feel like this year is a bit spicier, if that makes sense, but it's this really nice kind of caramel scent. Almost smells like toffee and caramel and butterscotch all mixed into one. This is just super nice, lathers up so well, and I am so excited to pick up more of these. We also have a baby Snow Fairy shower gel here. This I also got last year and I love it. I cannot say enough good things about the Snow Fairy line. I unfortunately have just about every Snow Fairy product either here or at my apartment, so I stuck with a smaller bottle this year just to kind of limit myself, but I absolutely love this. It has this gorgeous pink color down there with some glitter that I find kind of clusters up at the bottom, but this smells absolutely amazing and is a great travel size. I also have two shower jellies. The first one here is Santa's Belly, which I believe is available this year. I did pick this up last year and I love it. I picked up about 3 of these, so I'm finally on my third and final one. I love these shower jellies. I know they have mixed reviews, but I find they work best if you kind of rub a loofah through the bottom of it. It'll just pick up little bits and pieces that you can easily lather up on your skin. So this one, it just smells like apples and cinnamon, and it smells so amazing. It's this beautiful red color with a little bit of glitter in there, not too much, not anything overpowering, but these are just the perfect size and a great little stocking stuffer. I also have here the Silver Bells shower jelly, which I know for a fact is not available this year. This is just a gray shower jelly that when propped upright is shaped like a little bell. I'm not quite sure how to describe the scent. It's much more masculine than a lot of Lush's other scents, I would say. I personally am not a huge fan, but do like to keep it in here just because these are definitely fun, like after the hot tub or something, and I want to use it just because I do have it and I did purchase it. I am not a huge fan of the scent. I don't think I would repurchase this, but overall the formula is just as great as every other shower jelly, and if you were able to get your hands on one of these, I would say it'd be a great product for maybe a boyfriend or the husband in your life, just because it is much more of a masculine scent. Last but not least is this little sample here. This is the Roasting Chestnuts on an Open Fire shower jelly. This is this bright orange color, which honestly I felt like this should have been included in the Halloween range just based on the color, but this definitely has a bit more of a spicy, nutty scent, as the name would suggest. While I do enjoy this scent, I do not personally enjoy it as much as the Yognog or the Snow Fairy shower jellies, which is why I would not purchase this in a full size, but it is a fun color and a fun scent. The holiday scents are kind of hard to go wrong with, but like I said, definitely much more spicy and nutty than I was anticipating. So this here is the orange shower scrub. This was released for the Lush Christmas range just a few months back, and has already been loved and raved about so much by fans that actually yesterday they announced that it would be here all year round. This scrub is just bright orange, as y'all can see there. It is a sea salt scrub, smells just like oranges. Because it is sea salt, it does dissolve on your skin, so I personally like to kind of shake my arms a little bit, let them dry just a little bit before I apply this scrub, just to really get a deeper exfoliation. But this also can be used very gently, which is just super handy on the more sensitive areas. I would compare this to the Rub Shower Scrub with just a little bit of a different scent, both of which I absolutely love, so highly recommend this. Up here, I also have a Pumice Power. This is a little foot scrub. This is just shaped in a teardrop shape and has a very nice citrus scent. I have definitely worn this down, but this is amazing. And it is just so nice and almost gentle on my feet. It scrubs them just the right amount without leaving them feeling harsh or worn, but definitely leaves my feet feeling very refreshed and clean. I also have another product that's available all year round, and this is the Buffy Body Butter. This is just another body butter in a scrub form, just like the Scrubby. It has some little ground almonds and other things like that in here. I personally love using this on my arms and my shoulders where I tend to have a lot of dry skin. It just leaves them feeling very rejuvenated, softened, and also just very, very fresh. So it'll scrub your arms and also moisturize them at the same time. I find that this one is a bit more aggressive than the Scrubby, which I honestly really love. I also have a Snow Fairy body conditioner that is quite worn out. As y'all can see, this I got last year and I absolutely love it. I also bought the solid version this year, but I left that at my apartment at school. This is so amazing. I wasn't sure how I liked the liquid form of this first, but it honestly is just super light and doesn't leave a heavy greasy feeling. It's this beautiful pink color, as y'all can see in there. It smells just like every other Snow Fairy product. So just amazing, bubblegummy, sugary, and I am obsessed with this. I personally love to use this after I shave my legs just to leave them feeling a bit more moisturized and ready to take on the day. This is actually not a Lush holiday product, but I absolutely love this. This is the Cup of Coffee Face and Body Mask. This is just a really dark, rich scrub. I love this on my face as well as on my arms particularly. It is just super strong, smells just like coffee. It's great for exfoliating and is a lot deeper than the sea salt scrubs. So if you're looking for something a bit more aggressive, something you want to use once every couple of weeks, I would highly recommend this. It comes in a variety of sizes and like I said, just smells absolutely amazing.